iTvanila Cool Mist Humidifier, 5L35-inch Ultrasonic by iTvanila is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Large 5L water tank, you can get up to 43 hours of continuous mist without refilling. 3 levels of mist allows you to enjoy long-lasting diffusion whatever size room you may have. Ideal for living rooms, nursery room, bedroom and office use. Remote control. With the remote, you can easily change settings on couch or in bed. Max 21 FT. Whisper quiet sleep and healthy. Enjoying your best sleep ever with the Whisper quiet sleeping mode, without beeping sound, only 35 decibels for library level noise, and all the lights will turn off. Automatic humidity control. With humidity sensor, the humidifier create the amount of mist based on the surrounding environment. Reach 65% RH, it will run in first gear. The color of the round indicator light changes according to the humidity level. Orange means particularly dry, green means slight dry, blue means a comfortable humidity. Warranty and note, humidifier, customer support 7 days a week, 24 months warranty. Notes, please don't place on the carpet or any towel as the fan under the bottom, the carpet or towel will jam the air intake.